Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the device and opening settings. This gives direct access to sound controls. Tap Sounds and Notifications, or just Sound depending on your phone model, then choose App Notifications to focus on the app whose sound you want to change. Once there, tap the app name and make sure you're looking at notification categories if they exist. These categories let you set sounds per alert type. This first step places you exactly where you need to edit alert tones, so proceed to modify the chosen category. Now you select the specific notification category and tap Sound to see available tones. You can pick a system sound or choose Add or Browse to use a custom file. MP3 or WAV commonly work. Once you tap a tone, the device will preview it so you can evaluate loudness and character. Make sure to listen with your usual environment in mind. If the volume or clarity isn't right, adjust the media or notification volume slider. Then preview again until the alert feels distinct and appropriate for that app. Finish by saving your selection, tap OK or Save, then exit settings. You should test immediately by sending a message or using the preview button to confirm the new sound plays. If you don't hear it, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and the app has permission to send notifications. Also check that the file format is supported and not stored on an unmounted SD card. If issues persist, restart the device and reapply the tone. That often clears permission or cache conflicts and restores normal alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.